If you stream directly from your PlayStation or Xbox using the broadcast apps that are built within, and you want to stream to the platform of your choice, but the footage that you're pumping and pushing out looks dark, don't worry. In this video right here, I'm going to give you a quick tip to make sure that your footage looks a lot better. So here we go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you to help you become bigger and better with your streaming and content creation needs. Real quick, if this is your first time here, you need tips, tricks, and how-tos or any type of tutorial with content creation or streaming platforms, do me a favor and hit that big red subscribe button down below. But now to fix your problem. You probably noticed if you streamed out to certain streaming platforms and you're pushing your broadcast out from the broadcast apps within Xbox or PlayStation, a lot of the time your footage looks dark. And this is generally due to the HDR settings within your console. So what is HDR? HDR stands for High Dynamic Range. It allows your Xbox and PlayStations to have a better color range or a wider color gambit. It gives them the ability to produce more colors that are going to be more rich and have more detail, giving you better graphics and visuals while you're playing your games. Now, that sounds fantastic, and it is fantastic. However, it can have a negative effect on your stream. So basically, all we have to do is turn off our HDR settings in our Xbox and PlayStation. To do this on Xbox, really simple. On your Xbox controller, hit the X button in the center. Go to System, select Settings. Under General is TV and Display. Go to Advanced, Video Modes, and untick Allow HDR10 or untick Auto HDR, and that's it. For PlayStation, all you need to do is go to the Settings cogwheel, scroll to the Screen and Video, and turn off HDR. Now, if you've already turned off HDR and you still suffer from dark streams and broadcasts, that generally means you have to make more adjustments within the game settings itself. Not your TV, not your monitor, the game settings. After you do that, you should be perfectly fine to rock and roll for when you broadcast out to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook gaming, whatever you're trying to go for, or whatever's available at the moment. And speaking of streaming from your console, if you need any more tips and tricks or anything about that, I've done some excellent videos that I'm going to put over here to the side that's going to get you the most out of your PlayStation 5 or the most out of your Xbox Series S and X. Wild for Games, making you bigger and better with your streaming and content creation needs. Take care, and of course, peace!